welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you what's in my kids' Easter basket. Now I wasn't planning on making this video, but I decided to once I had everything out, my kids are down for a nap. I thought, why not do it real quick for you guys? I actually love watching these videos, so I thought I would put one together myself. I have an Easter basket for a toddler boy who's 3 and a toddler girl who's almost 2. So if you have a boy or a girl or both, then I hope that this video is helpful for you. But without further ado, let's jump into it. So I wanted to start with the items I got from Dollar Tree. I love Dollar Tree because it's so cheap and they have really cute things, especially like seasonal things for little baskets. So I got these last year for the kids, and this is the only candy I picked up. I typically don't like to fill their baskets with candy since they do get a bunch of candy on their Easter egg hunts, and I don't like them to eat unhealthy that much. I mean, I do give my kids candy, but I don't want them to have a ton. So I thought these little milk chocolate crosses would be perfect. Now I love that these are crosses and they have the "May His light shine upon you." It makes me think of the Bible verse, I pray over them every day, may the Lord bless you and protect you. So that reminded me of this, and of course this is the real meaning of Easter, so I definitely wanted to pick these up. Also, for our Valentine's baskets that I made for my kids, I put little projects in there. I used these Melissa and Doug ones I got off of Amazon. Well, we did some of those projects the day of Valentine's Day and they loved it. So I thought I would get these little projects, like these little painting kits for the kids to do on actual Easter too. So I figured, I know we'll be busy with church, opening baskets and stuff in the morning church, and then we'll see family later, but I thought this would be a fun little thing to do before nap time on Easter. My kids love painting, and for only $1, I thought this was such a good deal. I got a little Easter egg one for my son, and then this little easel one for my daughter. I think the reason I chose the easel one for my daughter is because it does have a pink. But either way, I'll probably just let them choose which one they want. Okay, and then also from the Dollar Tree was a pack of bubbles. So I went ahead and opened it and just separated the girly colors and the boyish colors. So if you have one of each, that's a really good idea to just buy one package and then just separate the colors. And we go through bubbles super fast. These will honestly probably be gone in 2 days. Also from the Dollar Tree, I got these really cute Mickey and Minnie Mouse numbers and counting cards. So I love doing learning activities with my kids, and they're both learning numbers and counting. My son is really obsessed with Mickey Mouse and my daughter loves them both, Minnie and Mickey, but I just thought that it would be cute to give her the Minnie one. And these, like I said, were only $1. Now I did pick up a few extra items for my son, a few extra toys, because I did buy one more expensive toy for my daughter. So one of the other items I got for my son is this Mickey Mouse puzzle from the Dollar Tree. And I like this because it's the really big puzzle, so it's easy enough for a toddler. And then this will probably be my son's favorite thing out of all the items. My son loves these little Matchbox Cars. So I got this, and it came with a pack of 3 from the Dollar Tree, so I thought that was a good deal. And then I think I showed this in a haul already, but I picked these up from Target. My son loves construction equipment, and I thought these Easter eggs were so cute. They have little construction trucks inside. So I picked this up from the Target dollar spot and thought these would be perfect. I could have just got one, but I don't know why I got 2, but he'll have 2 of these. And then also from the Target dollar spot, I picked up 2 sets of chalk. My kids love chalk, and I can't wait to give these to them. They're already asking for it since we've been outside playing. But I got the Easter egg ones. I thought I'd put these in my son's, and then the stick ones in my daughter's, but they'll share both of them. Now the more expensive item I got for my daughter is this cute Cuddle and Kind doll. This is a Chloe bunny one. So I thought the bunny was really appropriate to put in her basket. So my daughter's birthday is actually 3 days after Easter. So this is technically a birthday and Easter gift since these are a little bit more pricey. But these Cuddle and Kind dolls, they're just so soft. They're just such nice quality, and they're really cute to decorate with too because they're just so beautiful. Next are books. So I always buy books for my kids for their baskets. And this year I picked up this You're My Little Honey Bunny. I got that from Walmart. And then I also found this one at Walmart, God Gave Us Easter. Now I had this in my cart on Amazon for the longest time. I was planning on getting it, but I found it at Walmart and it was actually a little bit cheaper too. So I was very excited about that. So yeah, I'm really excited. We have God Gave Us Christmas and God Gave Us You. I really love these books. So if you haven't checked them out, you should. They're so cute. And they're Christian based, obviously. And then I thought this one was so cute. It was just a random one I saw and I kind of flipped through it and thought that the kids would like it. Okay, and next I got the kids a little outfit. Well, I was actually talking to my son about getting him an outfit, and he is, for some reason, so obsessed with pajamas right now. I've been kind of having to force him to get out of his PJs every day. So I thought it would be funny and cute to get him some Easter PJs because he just loves pajamas. It's so cute. And it's the little 2 set. This is a 3T, and I found this pajama set on Amazon and it was pretty inexpensive. I saw a few on there that got pretty pricey, so yeah, I really like these and I like that they're neutral. I also picked up a pair of pajamas for my daughter, but they aren't going to be coming for about a week or so. But, and I'll just have her wear those once they come in. And then a quick little outfit I got for my daughter is this little dotted romper. It's like crochet, and I just think this is beautiful. So yeah, I got this from Amazon. I can't remember how much it was, but I just thought this would be a really cute outfit to transition to spring and summer. I thought she could wear this with a little cardigan over it. But yeah, how sweet is this? I love the colors. The colors remind me of Easter time too. And here are their actual baskets. So I got these from Dollar Tree last year, but they also had them at Target. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I did get these little sunglasses from Dollar Tree. They were only $1, and I tried them on my daughter when we were in there, and they fit her so perfectly, and she loved them. So I thought those would be a perfect addition. And then on the little baskets, I made these little DIY tags, one that says Reese and one that says Ray. So I just matched the colors on the baskets for those. So I thought that would be a cute little touch to add to the basket. You may have also noticed a really cute garland at the beginning of the video. I ordered this a while ago, so it did take a while to come in the mail. I ordered it on Amazon, but I'll link it down below for you if you are interested. But I just think it's so pretty and dainty. I love the felt little bunnies. How cute. It comes with gray and white bunnies. Okay, so that is everything for my kids' Easter baskets this year. I'm so excited to give these items to them. I know they will probably like the Dollar Tree items more than anything. That's just how it goes. So if you don't want to spend a lot of money, go to your Dollar Tree or go to Walmart. They have such inexpensive, adorable items for your kids' Easter basket. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. This Friday, I'm going to be showing you our master bathroom reveal. So I'm going to be filming that either tomorrow or the next day, and I'll have that up for you guys on Friday. So definitely stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful and blessed day.